A Dubai-based event planning firm is surging pre-market after landing back-to-back high-profile contracts, including the Middle East Consumer Electronics Show. We turn on long mode right after the first large pullback finds support, and the Algo starts scaling in, methodically building the position, then adds again on the retest of $6. Momentum is building and the setup is looking clean, but price starts to consolidate, and the software de-risks for a small profit. No complaints, we lock it in and reset. The algorithm starts scaling back in on the break of the 1-minute candle. This is exactly the kind of disciplined re-entry that separates automated trading from emotional manual trading. Price fails to make fresh highs, so the software de-risks again, slightly above break-even, another small win, and a smart exit to ensure our position isn't too heavy if price breaks down. And just like that, we see a quick flush to the quarter dollar. The algo sets a strategic double-down order right at that level, which would have brought our cost basis way down for a fast bounce winner. Unfortunately, it doesn't get filled. Close, but the market had other plans. 9:30 a.m. the market opens. The algorithm adds on the breakout of the $0.50 and rides the momentum all the way to new highs at $7, taking maximum profit. Stock halts up at 7:06, 2,200 in profit over just 13 minutes of automated trading, selling into strength, resulting in a nice green day. Thanks for watching, and click the link below to learn more. New trade recap every day, so subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.